Introducing the Hisense 5.8 cubic foot stainless steel freestanding electric range. Perfect for your family meals. The Hisense freestanding electric range has dual elements to fit pots and pans up to 9 and 12 inches in diameter. It also comes with a power boil cooking element that goes from 0 to boiling in a snap. Skip the wait with the fast preheat feature, giving valuable time back to you. The air fryer mode gives you a healthier alternative to fried foods, but with the same crunch you love. This true convection oven circulates heated air around the food continuously for faster and more even baking and roasting. Equipped with 2 cleaning options: self-cleaning for an easy, scrub-free cleanup, and steam cleaning for those occasional messes. That's Hisense, a better way to cook.